Hey guys, welcome back. So in previous video we created the flashcards here in Quizlet. Now in this video I'm going to show you how you can print these flashcards if you want to have it in physical um, like physical thing. Now okay, so first thing you need to do is log in into your account on the quizlet.com. And right here on the left side, you will see this nice menu. Now what we are going to do is we are going here to the Your Library. So click on it and this will pop up. So now you will see down here your flashcards sets. So if you have more of them, you can search for them right here in this search bar. And then you can also sort created, recent, studied. So mine is right here as a test. So if I click on it, it will open up just like that. Now we said that we want to print these flashcards. So at the top right corner here, you will see these three dots, which is more. If you click on it, this small menu will appear, and right here you will see print. So if you click on that, now you will see this new window. So basically the settings for the printing. So you can here on the left side choose a layout, as you can see. So we can select what we want. Let's do this one, flip terms and definition if we want. That's basically it. Then we have here also some drawing option and that. And now what we can do just right here at the top, we can start printing our flashcards. And yeah, this is basically it, how you can print Quizlet flashcards. So I hope this video helped you out. If you did, consider to like the video and subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching, and I will see you in the next